It is now 6:17. Look at Betsy with the flowers on. I was going to wear my flower jacket today, but this is the first full day of spring today?
You're in it.
Would that be correct?
Here it is.
All right.
We're living it. Enjoy it. We've got a little bit more to go here as we have a beautiful evening on tap. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there. The clouds will be increasing all in all, but we drop back into the upper 40s for the start of the day tomorrow. We're still sitting at 67 degrees in tropical Dover, you lucky ducks. Meanwhile, it's 56 in Ashtabula, 55 in the Cuyahoga County Airport. We have just enough of a northeasterly breeze to chill things right along the lakeshore. But we're going to go big picture today because that's where the big weather story is. You can see the clash of air masses that is setting up. And I left the wind streams on here because wind is often a very, very important tell as far as severe weather goes. And not just the wind at the surface, which is what you see right here. We've got a big area of high pressure hanging out over the southeastern part of the country. That's why we're so nice and warm with our southerly breezes for the most part. But that is also feeding in all kinds of heat and humidity off of the Gulf of Mexico into eastern Texas, Louisiana, that southern Mississippi River Valley. Meanwhile, through the Intermountain West, we have a northwesterly wind, and that clash of wind direction really sets the stage for spin, and that is a huge problem that we have going on tonight. We have a very large storm system in the upper parts of the atmosphere sitting back here into portions of New Mexico, West Texas. Meanwhile, we are still pumping in all that moisture, all that heat off of the Gulf, and where the two clash right along a frontal boundary, and there's a couple other complicating factors in all of this, but we have a line of very severe thunderstorms that have started to form. Where you see the black outlines, that is a confirmed tornado on the ground. This is just the beginning. We are just a few hours into what is expected to be a multi-day severe weather outbreak that will extend into Louisiana and eventually Mississippi as we get into the day tomorrow. But as exciting as that is, check this out. These are blizzard warnings that are here in western portions of Kansas and Oklahoma, northern Texas. So it's just an incredible kind of a picture to show you. I talk about the energy. This is called CAPE, Convective Available Potential Energy. Look at how it's all centered here right now in eastern Texas. They are primed for severe weather to continue. And not only that, but when you go upstairs into the upper parts of the atmosphere, we have a jet streak that is formed. That basically becomes exhaust in the upper parts of the atmosphere. So we have all that heat and humidity at the bottom that begins to rise in those thunderstorms and spinning because of the wind shear. And then there is plenty of exhaust going on farther to the north. So we will actually be getting some high-level cirrus clouds that will be coming off of the northern fringes of that same storm system. Things do change this week, though. That warm air begins to shift east. As that upper-level low starts to move our direction, we will note cooler temperatures. Things get a little more unsettled for us by the time we get into the end of the week and we kick off the weekend. Quick peek at tonight in your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. We're in the 40s at midnight. There's your cloud cover to start the day tomorrow. We will pick up rain chances in the afternoon, but the temperatures aren't expected to be too bad for us. We're still going to make it into the upper 50s. The rest of your Union Home Mortgage forecast, we peak on Wednesday with a few rumble chances around here at upper 60s, and then you can see the slide that moves in with even a chance for some wet SNOW back in the forecast. It's spring, y'all. We'll have more coming up.